Should you go to university or should you not? And the truth is there's no one answer that fits every size, because for some people, they are better off going to university unequivocally. And there are some people who perhaps shouldn't go. There are famous people like Steve Jobs and the Microsoft guy, Bill Gates, and Larry Ellison of Oracle Computers. They started college and never finished it. But that's not to say that everyone should start and not finish. There are people at university who are investing in real estate. And there are people who've never been, plenty of them, who've done extraordinarily well in real estate. And there are some people who went to college, and because they did well in college, they probably never dreamt of becoming investors. They got some boring, low-paying job that they thought was good because it was guaranteed. Here's the real answer. For you, whether or not you should go, it depends on your personality. But I would say this, you never learn less. There's nothing you can learn that won't serve you in some way, shape, or form at some stage in the future. So my advice is when you're 50 or 60 or 70 and you look back on life, the 4 years you might have spent at college, it's not as if you wasted that time. It was a chance to meet people and learn about yourself and learn about the world. Explore the world. You'll never learn less. And in the meantime, at some stage along the way, whether you go to college or not, figure out ways of earning passive income.